Evening, everyone. It's good to have you here. Ansh, CB Rao, Chandan, Frank, Gopal, Gurcharan, Harish, Joseph, Maya, Nitin, Rafikul, Sandeep, Satya, Sheetal, Someshwar, Somen, Vidish, Vishwanathan. Welcome, everyone. It's nice to have all of you here today. So we many first timers here. Kindly change your chat settings to all panelists and attendees, please. Please change your chat settings to Somin. Yes. Kindly change your chat settings to all panelists and attendees. All right. So how many first timers here? So how is your day going? Good evening, Chandan. How many first timers here? Type in the chat box FT. Good evening, Sandeep. How many of you are first timers here? Vishwanathan, first timer. Ansh, Chandan, Rafikul, first timer. Nice to see you here. Let's welcome all the first timers here. Sandeep, Vidish, Joseph, Abhishek. Welcome all first timers. It's nice to see you here. Harish Chandra, first timers. Good evening, Satya, first timer. Awesome. Second time, Gopal. Welcome. Welcome back. Keep coming back every Tuesday, 9 p.m. We have this free learning series. So let me tell you the agenda of today's session. We will be covering a very important insight bite today, which is how many of you are interested to know how to attract and generate and capture quality leads? How many of you are interested to learn how to attract, how to generate, and how to capture quality leads? Thank you, Chandan. Chandan wants to do that. Somin wants to do that. Vishwanathan wants to do that. Awesome. And is there anyone who doesn't want that? Is there anyone here who doesn't want sales, who does not want leads, who does not want business? All right. Okay, then welcome to the Business Satsang. We will also cover the unspoken truth about businesses in this forum as well. Okay. So what is today's agenda? I will be sharing 11 lead magnet ideas. Okay, what is a lead magnet and what kind of lead magnets you must create, okay, based on your specific business type. Sounds good? That is what we are going to cover in the first part, because a lot of people come to learn. So I want to cover that insight and wisdom of how to generate quality leads, okay, and how to capture them, and how to attract your target audience. I'll cover very briefly that because I do have a full 2-hour video on attention grabbing content and videos. So those of you who are new here, okay, we have this Telegram group where you will get the recording of today's session, and you will also get the playlist of previous sessions. Okay, we have conducted over 12, 13, 14 sessions. I don't remember how many, but you can continue to learn. The videos are all available on YouTube. You can go through them, right? So that's the agenda. First, I'm just going to close my, give me a moment, guys. Give me a moment. I'm just closing my Outlook. Otherwise, we'll keep getting notifications. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, and then if you have any Q&A, if anything that is bothering you right now, we will look at that. And those who are first timers, if you have still not accessed your free course, the knowledge business model, how many of you have already started accessing the free course? How many of you have already started accessing the free course? Is if you have any challenges accessing the free course, videos not playing, etc., don't understand what is the intent of those courses, how to go about the courses, stay back. I will give you an, if you have any questions related to that. Thank you so much, Vishwanathan, for starting on the course. Awesome, super action taking, love your action taking. Harish Chandra, if you have not yet started, get on it fast. In 2 hours, you will learn the entire knowledge business model, how what it takes to build your knowledge business online. How many of you are knowledge givers here? Type in the chat box, knowledge givers. And how many of you are just entrepreneurs? You know, you just aspiring entrepreneurs, knowledge giver. So many is a knowledge giver. You're an aspiring entrepreneur. Type in the chat box AE, aspiring entrepreneur. And if you already are running some business and you just want to get some business insights, just say I'm a business owner. I am BO, business owner. AE. So we have aspiring entrepreneurs, Rafiqul and Gopal. Welcome, aspiring entrepreneurs. Vishwanathan is also an aspiring entrepreneur. CB Rao is a knowledge giver. Chandan is a knowledge giver. If you're a teacher, trainer, coach, consultant, where you have some kind of knowledge and your products are knowledge-based products, okay, and it is the time to convert your knowledge into digital assets, those are knowledge givers. If you're an aspiring entrepreneur, you want to do something in the online world, then it is important to learn some entrepreneurship skills. So we cover a whole gamut of things in this free sessions. It's best that you continue to stay associated, right? And Someshwar is a knowledge giver and entrepreneur. Vishwanathan has knowledge to give. Super. So those of you who are already on Telegram, great. I hope we don't share any not so useful stuff there. It's always useful, valuable stuff there. Those who are not on the Telegram group, please join the Telegram group. It's a group of world-class entrepreneurs where you will get the recording of today's sessions. You will get update on events coming up. If you would like to stay connected with me, if you would like to continue to learn from me, first of all, how many of you know me already or know about me, or how many of you don't know anything about me? Okay, this is the first time you are showing up. You don't have any clue on my background. Okay, how many of you are don't visually? Yeah, I've shared the Telegram link. I've shared that this is the Telegram link. Okay, this is the Telegram link. Please join there. Okay, and I will just quickly tell about my no idea about me. All right, Satya, and still you decided to spend your time with me. Thank you so much, and I'll make sure you get the most of your time. Okay, so I will share a link to a video where I talk. It's a 9-minute video where I give a background about myself. But quickly for here, those who don't know about me, I am born and brought up at Nagpur. I had a well, my childhood is, I mean, something not which I don't like to revisit. Uh, I am an engineer by background. I was a struggling job seeker. 3 years post my engineering, I struggled to find job because I failed all written tests and interviews for MNCs. But I don't know whether the system had problem or I had problem. The system of employment had problem or I had problem. But failing so many interviews, and my friends are actually getting into MNCs and even going abroad. I think that phase was the worst phase of my life, where I was like both broke as well as broken. Okay, I started doubting my own strengths and capabilities. That's a story by itself. But anyways, from there I finally got into TCS Mumbai, and that became a transformational moment in my life. I got to work in great projects. I'm a software engineer by background. Due to corporate politics, I left when I was on maternity. I left my job because I was given the lowest rating, though I was a performer all the time, 2003 and 2005. So instead of being unhappy at my workplace, I simply decided to quit, do something on my own, or just take care of my babies. Okay. So I quit when my daughter was just like 8 months old and 2.5-year-old, two daughters. Okay. My husband also left his job, and we together started our first business as a first generation employee turned entrepreneurs, which is our IT consulting firm, which is still our number one business. Okay. And we are in a very unique space there. I cover all of this I've created a course called Evolution of an Entrepreneur. It's not for sale. It's not for sale. I don't sell that. I always offer that course as a bonus. If you for whatever if you're opting for anything, I offer that course as a bonus because it's priceless. You can't put a value to it. It has come with years of investment of time, tears, success, failures, cutting down my own time, not taking care of my health, lot of money investment, cutting down my children time, not taking care of them as well, many things. Okay, so I can't put a price to it. I can't put a price to it. It's priceless for me. But a lot of deep business insights, because we ventured into 7 diverse businesses from 2006 until 2017. Okay, and IT, non-IT, B2B, B2C, franchising, retailing, luxury brands, entertainment, whatnot, whole gamut of things. Okay, so different client types, different employees type. Okay, very different, lot of learnings, diverse learning. So we put together a book on entrepreneurship as well. It's called You Can Do It. It's called You Can Do It. This book you have got free with the knowledge business course that you have got access to. Okay, it's worth a read. Okay, very simple language, no author kind of a language, just an entrepreneur's language, heartfelt words on how we started and scaled 7 diverse businesses from scratch. Okay, so that's about me. And last 4 years, I realized that I want to become a speaker, because people love hearing my life experiences, and it's very inspiring for them. So they motivated me to get into this speaking business. And I realized that personal brand is a very tough thing to do. And that I have invested a lot in last 4 years, a lot. If you have to give numbers, it's crossed 30 plus lakhs. Learning, applying, learning, applying, and understanding what are the challenges to take your business online. And for a non-techie entrepreneurs, okay, somebody, I was a techie, but still, I execution level work I left long back. Okay, long back. Okay, so I'm running an organization. I do a lot of mind work, right, or business acumen work, strategies, right. So execution, long back I had given up on that. And all this, the way these all tools were evolving, Facebook, LinkedIn, the way, that whole thing in last decade, whatever technologies have come up, I'm kind of averse to it. I mean, I was not hands-on on those tools. I didn't understand how they work and how to make them work for myself. So how many of you don't know how to make all these digital tools and systems available, platforms available to work for you? How many of you don't know how to make all these things work for you? Work for you means it starts generating lead on autopilot, right? Somen does not know, right? CB Rao does not know, right? Mukesh does not know. Renu does not know. Satya does not know, right? Vishwanathan says very little. Soumitra says don't know, right? So now I do understand your challenges, because I was there. It's just that I started my journey a few years back, 2017 onwards, actually. Thank you so much. Mimi says, I don't know, right? Rafikul says little bit. Vineet says little. Ishika says no idea, right? So that's where, because of COVID, it has become high priority. How many of you agree that COVID has changed the world and the world will never be the same again? How many of you agree that the COVID has changed the landscape of this world and it is never going to be the same again? Agree? Chandan agrees, Renu agrees, Lata agrees, Harish agrees, Sanjana agrees, Ishika agrees. Thank you so much. Soumitra agrees, Satya agrees, right? So you have to fast forward your journey to be online, because the most impacted business because of COVID, many businesses are impacted, but the education system has completely broken down. Is it good, or it is bad? It's a time of crisis for education businesses, right? But a moment of abundant possibilities and opportunities for knowledge givers, for independent knowledge givers. First, in you, just as you as an entrepreneur, as a solopreneur, I call it Ipreneur, where I stands for I as in I, insightful, independent, innovative, internet entrepreneur. Okay, so this is the time for knowledge givers to understand the language of the digital world, to make these digital platforms, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, whatever, okay, and availability of lot of digital systems and tools which have come up and are coming up to simplify your life so that you can leverage these digital systems and tools to go online and grow online at the earliest. Okay, so it's a huge opportunity for knowledge givers. Okay, that's why I say knowledge givers, apna time aa gaya. If you also believe apna time aa gaya, type in the chat box ATAG, apna time aa gaya. All you need to do is empower yourself with some powerful skills. Thank you so much. Chandan says apna time aa gaya. Sanjana says apna time aa gaya. Somen says apna time aa gaya. Dr. Vineet says apna time aa gaya. Satya says apna time aa gaya. Muttu Lakshmi says apna time aa gaya. Renu says apna time aa gaya. Sanjay, Rafiqul, Gopal, apna time aa gaya. Right? But to sail on this, rather to surf on this wave of opportunity, what you need right now is getting skilled. How many of you agree that it's time to get skilled? Now, it's time to get skilled. Is it time to get skilled? Right. Now the question is, thank you so much, Dr. Vineet, Satya, Sanya. Awesome. Give a round of applause to all of you. Very active, participative audience. I love it. Thank you so much. Okay. So, yeah. How many of you agree that we need to get skilled? Now the next question is, what skills to acquire? Now there is whole gamut of things happening on the internet. Every day you receive tons of marketing emails because you subscribed somewhere for something, right? So now the question is, this era is not an era of lack of information. The problem is information overwhelm. Too much of information. Right? How many of you find yourself lost in so much of information and not being able to reach to a conclusion or get that clarity that what is it that you need to do next in a step-by-step manner? Right? So how many of you would like to know the step-by-step manner to build your knowledge business online? Step-by-step, sequential, strategic, systematic, all at one place. All of you have already got that the course which you have accessed free, it will give you the entire business model. And then I hope you understand that not everything can be taught in 2 hours, but at least I have covered my 4 years of experience squeezed into that first level, foundation level. Get your foundation right, then go deep. So the agenda is get your foundation right with that course. Okay. And then when you want to go deep, you're ready to go deep. You know that these are the things I need to do. 3 stages of knowledge business: digitalization, monetization, marketing. Actually, monetization, marketing. So it's digitalization, monetization, and marketing to scale. Okay. At every stage, you need some digital systems and tools. For digitalization, you need some digital systems and tools. For monetization, you need low-cost monetization strategies. You need some systems and tools. And for scaling, when you want your business to run in automation, then you need some more tools. So I cover all of that in that course. And once you know that this is the road I need to take, this is the direction I am seeking, then if you are serious, you can move on to more next level, deeper understanding. Okay, so please complete that course, right? And if you feel you are an iPreneur, type in the chat box, I am iPreneur. Yeah, there is so much available, so you don't know, right? So what you must do? I know all of you must be attending many webinars, many 99 rupees workshops or 99 rupees webinar, 199 webinar. How many of you have been attending many webinars and learning a lot, but not being able to apply those learnings, not able to connect all the learnings that you have acquired, right? Chandan says me, Gopal says me, Sanjana says me, right? Satya has attended few, right? So you know what you need to do? Just find that one person with whom you resonate and just learn from them, whoever it is, just one mentor. Okay, for some time. Obviously, when your needs are different, you will get different mentors, but just stay focused on one person and continue to learn from them until you feel a need to learn something else for which that your current mentor may do not have the necessary knowledge. Then go on to the next mentor. Otherwise, there is no, because when you learn from so many places, it's just adding on to your confusion, because you're not able to apply at the speed at which you are learning. And right now, all of us have to be on 200 miles per hour. You cannot be on 20 miles per hour because of COVID. Okay. Whichever mentor you are Rafiqul is saying you are working with someone, so whoever it is, right? So just stay at one place, continue to learn, because this is a journey. You will have, there are a lot of insights and learnings you need to receive, right? So on that note, if you Renu says, thank you Renu, I am an iPreneur. Thank you so much. So those who think you are iPreneurs, I as an I alphabet I, independent, insightful, innovative internet entrepreneur, type in the chat box, I am iPreneur, or just I am I, right? On that note, let's get into the today's session, which is about 11 lead magnet ideas, right? Now, why do you lead? What is a lead magnet? Lead magnet, right? Attracting your target audience, right? So what can become your lead magnets? So how do you first of all get the attention of your target audience? Okay. Thank you so much. Dr. Vineet is IMI, Somin is IMI, Lata is IMI, Sanjana is IMI. Thank you so much. So now, first, you need to get the attention of your target audience. You get their attention when you have something valuable to offer them. Okay. So what is it that you can, first of all, if they land up on your video or on your website, you need to grab their attention by addressing their pain as well as the gain, the pleasure they are seeking for the pain they are going through. Now, that is not the agenda of today's session, because I can have just 2 hour talk on this piece itself. I'm not going to do that. So I'm just saying that you get attention of your target audience with catchy headlines, with the opening statement of your website, with the opening statement of your videos, the content that you prepare, with the opening statement, opening headline, that is just one headline of your post blog. Okay. You get their attention. If you don't do that right, you have already lost your target audience. Okay. Now for that, we already have covered this in detail in one of the videos, which is available in the playlist, which you will get in the Telegram group. Okay. So yeah. So today's idea is, why would someone give their, how do you capture lead? What do I mean by capturing leads? Capturing leads means there is an interest in your product or services, and people are ready to give their name, email ID, phone number, whatever else that you need to collect in exchange for something that you are giving them, which is of value to your target audience. Now, that is called a lead magnet, where you are offering valuable, something which is valuable to your target audience, free, in exchange of their name, email, and contact number. That's how you capture the lead. Now, most of you are not capturing the lead into a list building system. You are, first of all, very few leads are coming. On top of that, they are being directed to contact us form. You are expecting them to go and fill their details, and you are receiving an email in your inbox, which is not going to help, because if you're not, if 1 or 2 people are coming, if your business is like that, then you can respond. But if there are, like my program, hundreds of leads I generate every day, I can't respond to everybody by sending them to contact us form. There are some automation solutions. I have a digital systems and tool set up, right? So now that is another piece. Okay. So we will just focus on what are the types of lead magnets you can create depending on the nature of your business. Okay. And what should be these lead magnets? What should, how, what should be the agenda of these leads magnet, right? So the purpose of uh, having good quality lead magnets, you know we need to look at what kind of need. So we will look at 11 ideas, 11 good ideas. But apart from that, I also want to draw your attention to what exactly this lead magnet is going to do. Okay, first it has to solve a problem for your customers. It cannot be any fake lead magnet, or something not useful just to get name and email ID, because then people will write you off forever. They will never come back to you. There is so much competition, and the cost per leads on Facebook, on all these platforms, are going high. Okay, so this competition actually is really adding on to the lead costs. The lead costs are really going very high for a lot of people on Facebook, right? So it is very important that how you stand out uniquely in the marketplace. You will stand out uniquely if you, from the beginning, you think about serving your target audience, which is by giving them value, massive value, if you can, because the digital platform allows you to do that. So for example, I have a jewelry showroom, right? Now if you come to my shop to buy one earring, okay, I have to have, I can't give you 10 earrings and you're paying for just one earring, right? So if 100 customers come, I need to have 100 earrings. I mean, I have to have much more, at least 1,000 earrings for the choices and all. But I'm saying physical products, you cannot clone, you cannot duplicate. But digital products, you can clone, you can duplicate. You create only once, and whether 10 are going through it or 1,000 are going through it, it really doesn't matter. So your digital asset, digital product allows you to be generous, gives you an opportunity to give massive value to your target audience when you want their contact details in exchange of something valuable to them. Okay, so it should solve a problem. It should also give them some instant result. Okay, instant result they should be able to see. Then it becomes a valuable lead magnet. We will take an instant result. For example, if you are giving them some ebook, right? If I give my ebook, first chapter of the ebook or full ebook, and you read just the one page and you get some beautiful insight, and immediately you got some value. If you are conducting some quiz to assess, for people to understand their own self, or psychometric assessment, one section free. I'm going to cover the different lead magnets that I've actually got into the lead magnet ideas. But at this point, we should focus on solving a problem, giving them instant result, and it should be super specific. Okay, and it should be crisp, precise, and easy to digest. Easy, short. Okay, you don't bombard again with too much of content. Just one takeaway you should focus on, right? And they should be able to access it easily. Just one click, two clicks, and they are able to access it. Convenience of accessing it, you need to take care of that. Okay, and what you get out of this, you are able to build an instant, you are able to build yourself as an authority. So when you make a lead magnet, it is important that you establish yourself as an authority in whatever you are talking, and that will happen only when you give them quality content, right? So quality leads are lifeline of your business. They are like oxygen of your business. Okay, because from there, how will you generate sales? Only when leads are ready to buy from you. Where will you get money from? Money will come only when you are able to sell something. When will you be able to sell something? Only when there is an interest. That means there has to be leads, but not any interest, quality leads who can value your offering and are willing to buy from you, right? So how many of you agree that quality leads are the oxygen of your business? Sales will happen later, but first stage is generating quality leads, engaging and nurturing them and giving them massive value. One such way to give value is your lead magnets, right? See, unless your leads are flowing in minute by minute, hour by hour, every day, which is called list building, okay, it it is very difficult to survive in this knowledge business game. Okay, so that you need to have mechanism for the leads to continuously flow into your list. Okay, only then you will be able to maximize your profitability, reduce your cost per lead, grow leads organically as well as through paid campaigns, through marketing, by investing in marketing. Okay, so with that context, how many of you found that super useful so far? Whatever we discussed, how many of you find it super useful? Lata agrees, Dr. Vinit agrees. Thank you so much. Whatever we discussed so far, was it useful? I'm going to give you some 11 lead magnet ideas. Super useful. Chandan says super useful. Rafiqul says super useful. Satya says super useful. Gopal says super useful. Renu says super useful. Dr. Vinny, thank you so much. Somin, Harish Chandra, thank you so much. Obvious. All right. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sarvanand. Thank you, Mimi. Thank you, Santosh. Right. So just close your eyes and recollect whatever I have discussed. Just your takeaways. What is your takeaway? I want, when you close your eyes, you are internalizing what you learned. So I want you to close your eyes, and whatever comes, 3 thoughts that come to you right away is your takeaway from the session so far. Just close your eyes. Just reflect back on what you learned so far. What is your insight? Just one insight, 2 insights, 3 insights. Whatever is coming to you, write that down in your notebook. Write it down somewhere. Something that has touched you, something that you felt, oh, I don't have this right now. I need this. Okay. So I'm just pausing for a moment. I want you to write down. You don't have to necessarily write in the chat box. If you want to share, great. Otherwise, it's for your consumption, because it is a takeaway that you got and you want to take some action on it, or it is helping you connect some missing pieces in your knowledge. Okay, so whatever it is, just take a moment to settle down, close your eyes, just recollect whatever we discussed so far, and write down your 1 takeaway, 2 takeaway, 3 takeaway, whatever you like. Right now, done. All right. So now, how many of you are excited to get powerful lead magnet ideas? How many of you are keen to know 11 lead magnets that can work magically for you? Thank you so much. Dr. Vineet, Harish Chandra, Shivi, Rafiqul, super excited. Sanjana, thank you so much. All right. Naisha, Gandhi, thank you so much. Right. So ready, settled, so far absorbed everything. Okay. Sit with an open mind, sit with an intention to absorb whatever is relevant for you. Set an intention, or whenever you do something, always set an intention that what is it that you want to learn from here, or set an intention that whatever is needed for my growth, I am ready to absorb that, and I will remember that whenever needed, and I will remember that whenever I need it. Okay, you're absorbing. Okay, you're absorbing, don't worry. Even if it, for some of you, if I try to make it as simple as I can. Is there anyone who is not understanding what I'm talking about? Everyone understanding what I'm talking about, give me a thumbs up in the chat box. You're understanding what I am talking? Is there anyone who does not have no clue of what I'm talking about? You're not able to understand? All right. Thank you, Dr. Vineet. Thank you, Vivek, Naisha, Frank. Thanks, Somain. Thank you. All right. So good going, Mutthalakshmi. Thank you. Thank you, Somain, Frank, Naisha, Dr. Vineet, Aditya. All right. Good to see you here, Aditya, Lakshmi, and Maya from my live sessions. Anyone else from my live sessions here? All right. Sanjana, thank you so much. Right. So now let's look at what makes good lead magnets. What is a good lead magnet? It will help you reduce your cost per lead, which is the cost of acquiring a lead. Okay. How many of you want your costs to be less? How many of you would like to have less cost, less input cost, right? So then we should look at, there are, see earlier, how many of you have earlier seen people subscribe to my newsletter, subscribe to my daily messages? That is all outdated. That's not working anymore, right? Dr. Vinit wants to maximize his lead. Somin due to low capital. Yeah, everyone is going through financial crisis at this point in time. And that is why I am trying to give as much as I can from my side so that your input costs are less. Okay. So by God's grace, I am at a position where I can offer this. So I'm offering this, right? So make sure that you make the most of the learnings, go through that course, plus continue to stay connected. If you think I'm adding value in your learnings, in your life, in your business, I'm very happy to serve you and have you in my community. All right. So yeah, right. So how will you generate quality lead? By having quality lead magnets. Now, what makes quality lead magnets? How to make quality lead magnets, or how to make lead magnets that will reduce your cost of acquisition, where people are really keen to opt in. It's called opt in into your list. Okay. So right now, number one lead magnet is a mini course. Mini course. Okay. For that, you will have to record something. Okay. It can be audio course also. It not necessarily, it can be a video course, it can be a audio course. And it can be as short as 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. You can have 5 videos, 6 videos, 5 minute each. But keeping in mind that your target, or this should solve a problem. Okay. So if someone wants to lose weight, and if you are creating a mini course of 10 recipes, 10 healthy recipes, what do you say, you could just say raw recipes, 10 different raw recipes for your dinner, so it will help you lose weight, something like that. Okay. So you're giving 10 recipes as so now you can say people can go to YouTube and find everything. Why they will come to me? Okay. People like easy, people like convenience. How many of you like it easy? So if you have to go and explore 10 different YouTube videos and figure out which recipe, if someone is consolidating that for you at one place, someone who is an expert and they have it in their experience to do it, they're actually, okay, in the knowledge business, you will be able to make the most of this knowledge business opportunity only if what you are teaching is in your direct experience. If you are reading from somewhere and just simply giving sound service or courier service, we call them wisdom couriers. Okay. It's not going to work. It's not going to work. Okay. So unless something which is in your direct experience. So if I have lost weight using raw healthy recipes, then I have earned the right to tell you that this is what worked for me. And these are the list of, this is how I lost weight. Right. So now you can create, generally, some people like to read, some people like to listen, some people like to see. So if those who like to read, you can have a step-by-step recipe, 10 step, you can just have 10 recipes and each recipe is a step-by-step process itself. That becomes a good lead magnet. Then you can create a video course, your videos that, okay, how to use groundnut and make 5 recipes out of groundnut, and you actually show them how you make it, because in the text file you are not showing them, but if it is a video you can actually show them how you made it. And if it is audio, again, these kind of things need video, right? But audio, if you are a math teacher, a subject teacher, you can just talk about a concept and create some audios if you're not very comfortable making videos right now, or you don't have the necessary setup to create videos, right? So mini course, a short course is a great lead magnet. Okay. So whatever you're offering now, there is a lot more insight to it. I'm going to stop here because then I get into the how part of the each thing. It is important for you to create a relevant content. Okay, I call it the 3R content. Okay, so it is very important that even mini course you are creating, it should be a relevant content. Relevant content is what your target audience are asking, not what you think they need. Okay, it's not what you think they need, what they actually need. So you may think what they need, what you think they need and what they need may be different. That is a big problem, right? So it is important that you understand who is your target audience, for whom are you making this mini course, and what exactly are they asking. What is it that they need, not what you think they need. In reality, what is it that they need? For that, you will have to do some research. Okay. Now, lead magnet number 2, your assessments. Okay, if you are a life coach or something, there are a lot of assessments, right? What do you say? Fingerprint analysis assessment, psychometric assessment, or personality assessment, something. Okay, that also, because you're giving this free assessment in exchange for their contact details, because there is an interest, so you can follow up with your people who are interested in your offerings. It's not a cold, you're not trying to, we call it in the language of marketing sales, cold lead. They're not cold, they are hot or they are warm. Okay, there is an interest, that is why they gave their details. You're not, so this is the problem, right? And nowadays a lot of people just simply come on the WhatsApp group to take the contact details. They are not interested in your courses or programs or 99 rupee program. They are simply hunters who have just come to take the numbers, and they will start, there are means to just have all that numbers. There are a lot of shortcuts and hacks to do that, and they simply bombard you whether you are interested or not with their offering. How many of you go through that? If you were part of some program, the number was there was one person like this or many like that who took your number, and they simply start sending their YouTube video about their program. How many of you go through that? D&D? No, but WhatsApp group people are, because you're part of the group, they are doing, right? So nobody buys like that. No one buys like that. It's called cold calls. Right? So if there is an interest and you are able to solve the problem for your target audience, they'll be willing to take out money from their pocket, because you're helping them solve a problem in their life, right? So make sure that fortune is in follow-up. Fortune is in follow-up. So once there is an interest, you need to make sure you are following up in an automated manner, or if not automated, at least engage with the audience who has shown interest, and you have to do that almost instantly, because they have a lot of choices, right? So now mini course, now that is why there's so much to this, right? I'm just going to, today's agenda is 11 lead magnets. We will talk about that, right? So mini course is one lead magnet. Your ebook, full book, or a chapter of your book, if you have authored a book, that can become your another lead magnet. Free workbooks, number 3, workbooks, worksheets, right? They can become your lead. Workbooks are like, you have, for example, teachers can create test workbook, and life coaches, spiritual coaches, what kind of workbooks. You ask people to ideate on something, you ask questions and people write. So you can create workbooks, right? You can also you can create videos. So it can be a course or it can be a series of videos. Okay, so there is a difference. Excuse me. A course will be say knowledge business blueprint, okay, is a course. Okay, but I can also have 5 videos on how to create 3R content. That can become a lead magnet, right? A full course, it's a mini course. I'm giving a full course. Okay, full. I used to sell the course for 4,999, what you got for free last year. Okay, so a mini course, or just one aspect of the entire business, how to get personal clarity, how to find your unique position. I can have 4 videos on that. Okay. Uh, right, or I can call it a tutorial or a free course or a mini course, right? So assessments, tests, quiz, right? So these are your lead magnets. Checklist, for example, you have also got free 4 bonuses from me, right? One is asking right questions for your website. It's a checklist basically. So if you have to create high converting online presence, what are the questions you need to ask? It's a checklist of questions, right? Now, another lead magnet is a free consultation call. If you're in counseling services and you like to work 1:1 people, a free call, consultation call, is a great lead magnet. Free webinars, a lot of people do free webinars because they are doing lead, they it's trying to collect the leads, right? So obviously there is going to be an upsell in that free webinar, right? So free webinar, free consultation, checklist, a step by step how to guide PDF, ebook, one chapter of the book or the full book. You can also have case studies. Like in our IT company, when an organization uses a particular tool, before, what are the challenges they were facing, and after using the tool, how it has, what are the benefits they have got. So that itself becomes a great. Generally, IT companies and all these white paper, you share white papers and patented stuff, all those things. It is, I mean, it is applicable there, but even for a knowledge giver, you can share the success stories as a as a what do you say, as a lead magnet. If somebody wants to know what problems people were facing and how you resolved them, and what is the solution you gave them, that itself becomes a great lead magnet for you. Free assessment, free quiz, test, a toolkit, like how to use a particular tool, how to make videos using Zoom, that itself is my lead magnet, right? I have created one video on it is a mini course, I can call it. Then I've also given you a catchy headline generator PDF, right? Which is do it yourself. At one place, you are finding how to write catchy headlines to grab the attention of your target audience. Free workbook, right? Free templates. Okay, I have a story building template, a story sharing template. I have an influence building calendar. That is also a template. That becomes your lead magnet. I'm sharing more than 11 actually. But even if you are in if you are in stock market and stuff like this, there are a lot of calculations that you need to do. So you can have a simplified Excel spreadsheet which have the necessary calculations built in. That can become a lead magnet, right? Free trial of your course, trial period, 1 month free trial, that can also be a great lead magnet. Okay, then free cheat sheet, very shortcuts to do something, a great lead magnet, right? And script to write emails, right? They are called swipe files. That can be a great lead magnet, right? Okay, so these are some of the lead magnets. Even this mind map that I don't know if you have in my course, you will see I use mind map. Okay, so even a free download of a blueprint mind map, that also becomes a great lead magnet. Okay, and if you are in digital marketing services, then giving them some creatives free, useful creatives free, infographics free that they can use, that becomes a great lead magnet. Okay, discount, coupon code, these are all great lead magnets to have, right? Yeah, toolkit, yes, how to arrange free webinar. Yeah, it cannot be answered in just one statement. There is a whole strategy. You need to have the readiness to conduct the free webinar. Now the question is, if you have a Zoom account, you can get a link, but where will you share that link? Who is interested in your groups? You will share, only very few people come, 5 people, 10 people. And the free programs, the biggest challenge is making people come in, attend your program, because people forget. If they have registered for free, they forget. So you are doing the free webinar for sharing knowledge or for you want an upsell of your offering. So basically your free webinar is basically it can become your entry level funnel, your sales and market. From you are attracting strangers with a lead magnet, which is giving them a free webinar on a certain topic. And from that, you need to make sure you are selling your next level offerings. But how to do a free webinar? You can just set up a webinar on Zoom. If you don't have a meeting, I think Zoom is $15 is only meeting, not webinar. I think $50, $40 you have to pay per month if you want webinar, but with limited number of participants. So there are other tools also for doing webinars, but Zoom is a good platform. A lot of people understand how to use it. Demio I was using earlier because my mentors, wherever I was learning, they suggested that. I used for quite some time, but people don't know the interface, then it becomes very challenging for them. Right now, Zoom is the best option for you. Right? Right. So I am done with my knowledge bite today. So was it useful? Did you get some ideas on what kind of lead magnets you can create for your business? Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you, Harish. Thank you, Somin. Thank you, Sanjana. Thank you, Frank, Chandan, Satya. Thank you so much. Thank you, Lakshmi. Aditya, thank you so much. Right. So now, do you have any questions? If you have any questions, please type in the chat box questions. I think I have 2 questions in the Q&A box. Can we access the course now? Which course? Anonymous attendee. I don't know, whoever it is. You have mentioned, can we access the course now? Lata is saying, I am an insurance advisor. What type of course I can create? Yeah, thank you so much. Makes sense. Thank you so much, Dr. Vinit. Pooja, thank you. Sangeeta, thank you. Saravanan, thank you. Thank you so much. So if you like my session and if you think it has added some value in your life, I would expect a 5-star review on that link, please. Because so much is happening in the world. Everything is all about reviews now, and a lot of people are not getting the value. They waste their time, and they only end up people end up only selling. So people are tired of all these webinars and free sessions and all. But as you see, I am sure you see, I really want to help you. Your growth is my interest. From every core of my being, my interest is your growth. Okay, so if you think help someone shift from wherever they are, I need your help, your support to give me reviews. So I've shared the review link. If you find my session useful, kindly share. Now I will address your Q&A. So Renu is saying, I don't have laptop, can I go digital? Renu, it will be tough. These are investments. You need to have a laptop. Okay, that is the basic investment. I mean, I assume you already have that. You can, okay, you can with your mobile phone, you can. Okay, but it will be very, you will struggle a lot doing things. Okay, a laptop is required. Okay, get a second hand laptop, get a used laptop, get a low, just buy a used laptop. Okay, share it with someone, but you will need it. You cannot afford to build your online business without a laptop. It's a must have, what do you say, uh, necessity for your business. Okay, thank you so much, Naisha. Thank you so much. Let's anyone else want to create soft skill course? Yeah, soft skill course, a soft skill course. Okay, all right. There was a question from insurance advisor Lakshmi. Lata, what kind of courses I can create? Yes, so are you there, Lata? Are you there? Yeah, laptop is a basic need. You need that. Okay, so insurance advisor, wow, you can create many courses. You can compare different, okay, lead magnet or your proper course. If you want to create a lead magnet, you can compare different types of insurances, the pros and cons of different types of insurances. That itself can become your it can become your course also, a selling course, not just a lead magnet. You can just compare. There are different types of car insurances, life insurances, medical insurances. I don't know. There's so different kinds of key man insurances, key person insurances for business. There's different types, right? So you have you're carrying so much knowledge and insights and experience into the insurance industry, right? Like, so you child's education insurance or whatnot, right? So you can not only you can create a lead magnet by comparing different kinds of insurances and giving people value why they can go for this and why not this. Compare. That itself is your product. And if you do that once, there are many, and it is going to help. I mean, there's so much can be done here. Okay, I'm just, my thoughts travel faster than the speed of light. I'm going to halt here, but there are, I hope you got the necessary idea, right? So more questions. Chandan, ma'am, I market softwares. My niche is multilingual softwares. What can be my platform for digital marketing? Chandan, I need you to come on. I am going to give you unmute permissions. Okay. I need you to speak because I need to know something more about what you do. And if anyone would like to share how your session was today, just let me know and I'm going to unmute you. I'm going to give you the unmute permissions. Even you can switch on your, I don't think you can switch on your video. I'll have to make you panelist. Thank you so much, Harish Chandra. Thank you. Renu, thank you. Thank you. Grateful for all your kind words and 5-star rating. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it. It means a lot. And thank you for giving your time to listen to what I have to offer. Thank you so much. Chandan, you can unmute yourself.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead.
Ma'am, actually, I'm marketing softwares. I've been doing this for last around more than 15 years.
16 years. Okay.
Yeah. And I specialize in language softwares, multilingual softwares.
Right. So who is your target audience?
My target audience, mainly, they are the media people, like
media people,
newspaper houses, then TV channels, also ad agencies.
Okay. Okay. So now tell me, where are these people hanging on the internet? Hanging around. I mean, I'm sorry, not hanging, hanging around.
Yeah, actually, ma'am, I have created a account in LinkedIn. So apart from that, I'm trying out. I'm trying to form a group in Facebook also. Facebook, and I have a presence.
No. Wait. Okay. So you can create Facebook account, but you need to be where your target audience are there. Okay.
Yeah.
So you first have to find out where are these media people, what is the platform they hang around on,
Okay.
right? So when there are now media people, wherever there is a story, they are there.
Yeah, correct.
Right. So and your marketing people, media people, where exactly are they studying or where exactly they get together? Okay. If there are associations, industry associations for media people, you need to be there.
Okay.
You need to take membership of those associations.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that is one. So first of all, everyone, thank you so much for asking this question. You need to be where your target audience is. Okay, tell me, in a jungle, if the lion wants to hunt, okay, his shikar, okay, where do you think the lion is going to hunt? Where will the lion look for his prey? In the jungle? Type in the chat box. Where do you think, in a jungle, if the lion wants to hunt his prey, where is the lion looking for its prey? In near the water body. Water. Thank you so much, Lata. Water body, right? Because once in a day, all the animals will come to drink water near water body. Right? So wherever, so in this, first of all, I don't like this. I have to take this analogy, but I don't want you to hunt your target audience. Okay. If you are trying to hunt means one-time business. you will not be able to survive. Or you have to farm. You have to, how you put a seed, it takes times to grow. When you nurture, take care of it. So you have to nurture your target audience. Okay. But you have to be present where your target audience are hanging around, wherever they are. You need to be part of, you create a group and expecting people to come to your group will not happen. You need to become part of the groups, media groups, market, whatever, I don't know, you would know your industry better. So where if you need to become part of those groups, and you need to actually just focused marketing. If you are doing a paid campaign, then you need to see what kind of things these people explore on Facebook. Okay.
Okay.
So you need to be where all these people will be there. Where your tell me where your target audience is hanging around. Where do they spend their time on the internet?
Mm, I'll have to find out, ma'am. I'm not very sure.
Right. So they must be,
Yes,
see, they
yes.
must YouTube, Netflix. They must be,
Yes.
watching all these shows.
Yes, 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 yes. Because
Right.
they are mostly news people, so they must be associated with this news, like
Your voice is very feeble. I'm not able to hear you. So I think the input that you need to take is find out where your target audience spend their time, most of their time on the internet,
okay.
and what
Mm,
kind of associations offline
mm,
also. Like
mm,
that reminds me, how many of you would like to see how people are, how, if, see, there are a lot of ways to generate leads. Okay. So there is one such forum called BNI. Okay. Business Networking International. Okay. So where there are chapters, and there are what do you say, there are entrepreneurs, many entrepreneurs, 100-member chapter, 60 to 100 members, and then they help each other generate business. Okay. Business via referral, business via networking. How many of you would like to experience that platform absolutely free of cost? How many of you? Right. So I'm going to give you one link here. So I am also part of that network. You will see how, what is happening in the world. It's a great platform to experience. And good thing is, earlier it used to be in 5-star hotels, and there used to be 1,000 rupees breakfast charge. But right now, because of COVID, everything is happening online, and you can experience India's number one chapter. India's number one chapter, whichever city you are from. Okay. So I'm just going to give you one link. If you're interested, just join that group, my group, and you can join that group, and I will share the details. The meeting is tomorrow morning, 7:30. It happens every Wednesday. Those of you are available at 7:30 in the morning tomorrow. Okay. It is 7 and it is 8:30, 9:30, 2.5 hour meeting, 7:30 to 10 a.m. All you have to do is just simply experience that platform, and I'm telling you, you will learn so many things about business. Okay. And you don't have to buy anything. Nothing will be sold to you, so don't worry. It's just experience that platform. Okay. So not, no, to become a member, Frank, you have to be a business owner. To experience, you need not be a business owner. To, if you are ready to become a member, then you need a business. To experience the meeting, you need not be a business owner. I hope I have clarified that, right? So yeah, I actually, this was on my, I always skip talking about it in my business satsang. Every Tuesday I miss talking about it. Thank you so much, Chandan, for bringing this question, because I remembered about this meeting. I have to, those who are interested, just join that WhatsApp group, and then I will share the Zoom link to join that meeting tomorrow morning, 7:30. If you can make it, great. Otherwise, you can join next Wednesday, because I am part of the chapter. Every Wednesday the meeting happens. You can join.
thank you,
uh,
ma'am. Thank you very much.
yeah, I hope my input helped you, Chandan.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
All right.
Definitely,
All
definitely.
right. Thank you so much. So what else? I also wanted to, what else? Yeah, BNAD. Yeah. So there is one more thing. How many of you don't have a website? How many of you don't have a website? Okay, so now those of you who don't have a website, okay, because this I had offered in one of my session, there is a low now. Are you, first of all, I understand people are really struggling with money. Okay, I understand that, completely understand that. Okay, so there I am not promoting this. Well, that link is not. I didn't copy that link here. Hold on. So I'm just going to go to. Uh, just hold on. So there is a low cost way to build your digital presence. Okay, there is a low cost option to build your digital presence. Okay, there are a lot of people offering it free, but free always has their own catches. Okay, now we spoke about this. We were talking about it is you some of you may have heard about it. It's called a digital card. Okay, it's called a digital card, but not to be used as a digital card. Okay, a lot of people are not doing it right. Yeah, don't worry if you have the domain and not hosted yet. Don't worry, I'm just telling, if you want to build a low cost one page business portfolio. Okay, let's click on that link. Click on that link I shared in the chat box, and I'm also going to share my screen and I'll show you something. So I'm doing. I also have a group for that, but I think once you sign up, immediately you will be directed to that group. Let me also click that along with you, and I'm going to share my screen. Hold on, this is important, guys. Okay, now there are a lot of people who are doing it free of cost and all those things. Okay, and low cost, 99 rupees. I am not promoting any of that. For me, it is important that you are able to build your digital presence. So if you get it free, please go and accept it. But more than just having your details there, it is important to have high converting content there that nobody teaches. Okay, now even I have seen a lot of people creating their digital cards, but it is of no use because it is not working. It is not people, you're not registering in the mind of your target audience. So what is important there is the content and the orientation. Otherwise it's just like, how you make a home with pillars and foundation. It is there, foundation is there, pillars are there. Okay, but is that making the home complete? Can you live in a place where it has only pillars, sand and bricks and some foundation? You need proper home. You need to decorate the home. You need to keep the sofa at the right place, the bed at the right place, study at the right place, the kitchen stove at the right place. Can you have kitchen stove at the entrance and shoe rack in the dining hall? No. So this is the problem. Okay, so we are offering something useful. Okay, now if you have heard that these things are come free, 99 299, you are free to buy wherever you find value. But right now we are offering you card, a digital card setup. I am going to be teaching what are the important things you need to have on the card. Okay, so look at this. My whole jewelry business itself, we have actually, though I have a website, kanikajewels.com is my website, we have still built it on a digital card because your website is like lot of information. This is a one page brochure where what is important is what people need, not what you are talking about yourself, right? So look at this. We have some YouTube videos on how to buy jewelry, that is there, and my products are here, and if you want an inquiry, you simply click and the lead directly comes to the our WhatsApp number, right? So same way, even I can set up my products like that. My now I see, when you are in scaling stage, marketing stage, this solution is for people who have money problems, and still right now you cannot survive without having a digital presence. This option is for them. Otherwise you must have a website. It is your office address on the internet. It's your address on the internet. सारा शहर मुझे लायन के नाम से जानता है. अरे जानता होगा, ऑनलाइन वर्ल्ड में आपको कोई नहीं जानता है तो यू आर अ नोबडी. How you have an offline address, a home address, an office address in the offline world, that online, that virtual world, digital world is growing much more powerful than the online world. So it is very important that you have an office address there. Whatever ways, if you can invest, do a website. If you don't have money challenges, you can't invest, get on this card. If you're getting it for 99, 299, and you understand how to set it up properly, please go ahead there. What I want to do is empower you to make sure that the content that you put is in the right order. And for that, did I share the link? Did I share the link in the, yeah, I shared the link in the chat box. So you can explore some of the cards. Okay, I have given in that detailed description of the product. Some sample cards have been given. Then you yourself can see. I'm going to go back. You yourself can see how different people have set their different cards and how do you resonate with them or do you don't resonate with them. This is not a completely build card. It is just temporary. We were just 5 minute on a 5-minute demo. It was built. Okay. We can do a much better job there. Okay, so that is my card, but I have a website. I don't need to use that, but still I can use it if I want to give somebody a short brief view about what I do in just one page. Okay, it is very empowering and a powerful tool. You can explore all these options. Some of them have done a good job, some of them are like just some information. I'm not interested to read so much detail. I don't want to do business with them, right? So what will attract the attention of your target audience? What are they looking for? That way you will have to create your one page. Yeah. So what all I shared this. Okay, so we will be doing tomorrow 9 p.m. I am going to be doing a session on that. How to, you can build on your own. It is super easy. I'm going to empower you with how you should be doing your content. Okay, on that. How you should lay out, right? Where to put what to make it meaningful so that it works for you. So tomorrow 9 p.m. is that session. And once you register whatever the link I have given, you will get the other details. Okay, you will join on our WhatsApp, and you will also get in the WhatsApp group. I will give you the Zoom link to join tomorrow's session at 9 p.m. Be there. Okay. No, there are many 2 card, freedom card. There are many guys here. First of all, as such, I'm not a promoter. I don't want you to do this. Okay. But if you have financial constraints right now, you need this. Okay. So up to you, wherever you find it low cost, please go and buy there. Okay. But make sure it has necessary features, and what are the features you should look for. We will cover that tomorrow. Apart from that, for me, it is important to empower you to present yourself nicely in that one page in such a way that your target audience is interested to work with you. That is my agenda. So I'm going to be talking about that tomorrow exclusively for that. So if you want to join, please join. Okay, I've given the details. And for the BNI, those who are interested, let me see if I have given the group link. Again, I will give the group link. The chat, the link that I have created for you, so that those who are interested, I'm just going to work with them only. I mean, I don't want to bombard everyone with everything else. If you are interested, only then join the group. If you want to attend how people are generating leads and business for themselves in the offline world, because they are not online, but in offline also they are generating leads, and how that whole community, how that network helps. Okay, how people exchange business. So it's a great platform to experience, and good thing is wherever you are, you can experience #1 chapter of India. Okay, so I've given that link to you. So if you're interested, please join there. This is Quartz, BNI Quartz. Okay, I am part of the chapter there. In fact, we are part of BNI from 2013 for our jewelry business, and that platform has opened up a world of possibilities for us. Okay, that platform completely transformed our life. Though we were successful entrepreneurs already by then, By then we had 4 businesses. But when we joined BNI, it just opened up a very different world for us. Okay, so I really want people to experience that platform once at least. Okay, you can go as a visitor twice in one chapter, but right now because of online, you can experience chapter in your cities also. But you can, if you can experience one of the best chapters, nothing like it. And you don't have to become a member. Okay, you just experience it. If you find it app, then but just experience it. Okay, and as someone said, you Frank was asking, you need to be a business owner to be part of that platform. You cannot become, if you're an employee, you cannot become member of that platform. But as an employee, you can still experience, because you will definitely learn what is happening in the world, how people, what lot more, we live in our closed world, we don't even know what's happening. It will open up your eyes to entrepreneurship. So I really want you to experience that platform. What else I had? So thank you so much, everyone, for giving me reviews. Anyone has any questions? I'm going to stop share and let me look at some of your questions. Samyak, you have some question? Anyone wants to share anything, how the session was for you? Please type in the chat box me, and I will unmute you. And you can share whatever you wish to share with me. What was your insights? Did you find the session useful? Yeah, Nana, you will always, if you're in the Telegram group, okay, I'm going to give the Telegram group one more time. Okay. Nana, are you there in the Telegram group? If you are in the Telegram group, you will get the recording in the Telegram group. Okay. All business satsang recordings, as soon as they are up, I upload it to YouTube and you will get. So those who are now, some of you who have decided to join the Telegram group, I'm sharing the link again. Thank you, Lata. Thank you, Nana. Anyone wants to share anything, let me know. I'm going to unmute, to give you the unmute permissions and you can share. If not, kindly give your reviews. I'll be very happy to receive a 5-star review from you on Google. So I'm going to share the link one more time. We really appreciate your time and your heartfelt words. So super grateful for taking out time to give that review to me. If nothing else, then bye for now. So I'm going to count 10. If anybody wants to ask a question, wants to share how, thank you so much, Satya. Yeah, Dr. Vineet, how to make contents in sequence. For that, you will have to join my live. Okay, first you go through this recorded course, Dr. Vineet. Okay, go through that too. Yeah, so is there anyone who doesn't know how to access the course? Is there anyone here who doesn't know how to access the course? First access that course. Daisha. All right. So now those who are first timers here have not opened the course. I'm going to share screen and I'm going to help you with how to access the course. Okay. So is my screen visible? All right. So let's go to / welcome message. I just need few links. I'm going to, those of you who are not, who have not yet accessed the course. Okay. I have given you a video on how to access the course. There is a short video and there is a long video. What are the bonuses and how the bonuses help you? So I'm going to give the details in the chat box, this video, and I'm going to open that because all my links are on there. Okay, the course links are there. This is the video. So let me also get that video here. I'm just going to, I think you guys have the link. You can go over this video later. I was more interested in the link here. Okay. So the moment you, this is the link you have got in, this is the link you have got in the email once you signed up for the free course, or if you have sent me a message on WhatsApp, you would have got this link. Okay. Now this, once you sign up for the course, okay, once you sign up for the course, this is the course. This is the course I'm talking about, which was sold for 4,000, almost 999, 5,000 rupees until last year. And I'm giving you the entire model free, so you know where to focus your energies on. And then we also have next level recorded courses, 6-hour courses. Okay. They are priced at 2,999. This is a 2-hour course. Until last year, I was selling it for 5,000, but now I'm offering it free. Now, if you want to go deep, the next level course is going to cost you 2,999. It is a 6-hour course where Dr. Vineet is asking the question, how can I structure my course? You will get answers to it there. Okay, recorded programs if you want to buy, pre-recorded programs. But thanks to last batch, I had offered 7 courses as free gift on my birthday, and there was a lot of interest in my live sessions. So right now we are doing live sessions. Weekend 9 live sessions. So weekend 1, weekend 2, and weekend 3. So first weekend we learned how to create digital courses. We also got personal positioning and clarity, which niche you should orient yourself on, how to find out what is your niche, and what should be your revenue goal, mission, vision, values, and a GPS system, which helps you create your marketing collateral. And based on that, how you create a high converting course, how to structure and sequence your course, and how to create the course curriculum. All of that was discussed in 3 hour each day. Okay, but our session went for 4 hours as well. Okay, so it was 3 days, 9 hours, actually 12 hours. Okay, weekend 1, and then weekend 2. Last week we did digital systems and tools, the must have digital systems and tools, how to use the tools. And now I have an upcoming one on 25th, 26th, and 27th, which is how to do Facebook campaigns. Okay, so if any of you are interested on that, how to do Facebook campaigns, I'm just going to share. It's a paid workshop, live session. It is again Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay. So wait, let me see. Do I have I don't have that link handy. But I do have the link handy for this course. If any of you want to explore this, the knowledge business model. And if you want to also look at, if you really want to understand the language of the digital world, understand digital marketing strategies, whether you are a knowledge giver or not, whatever type of business you have, okay, then I also have a 6-hour course, 6+ hours course on Go Digital and Grow Digital. It talks all about powerful digital marketing strategies, sales strategies, entrepreneurship skills, and mindset. Okay, and I'm just going to go to InstaMojo, and if any one of you want to join our workshop on how to do Facebook campaigns, that is happening in the upcoming weekend. If any one of you is interested to join that live workshop, 3 days. Day 1 we will look at how to write your ad copies, day and budgets and costs involved. And day 2 and day 3 will be Facebook campaign setup part 1 and part 2. So 9 hours, 3 days, coming Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Is there anyone who is interested? Only then I will share the link. Otherwise, I'm not going to share the link. There is no point. If any one of you is interested and you want the link, let me know. Then I can share the link. Okay. So if not, then I'll just go ahead with what we were discussing, your next steps, right? So the moment you get that course, I think the next, let us go and access that course. Right. Yeah, Chandan is Girija, ma'am, can you share the details for preparing website? I would like to have my own website. Yes, Girija, you want, okay, you want to create your website from scratch? Then you can, my office number is 6363958485. I'm typing in the chat box. Just message me there and we can talk, discuss that. If you want to create, do you want to create your own website, or do you want someone else to create the website for you? Girija, if you're still there, my question to you is, you can message on that number and we will respond to you, right? So once you give the details, okay. All right. So message me on that number and then we will take that conversation forward from there. Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much. Got it, Girja. Right. So now access your complete course here. So there is a video which talks about how to access the course immediately. And then you can join the, you can just send a message to us on WhatsApp also. And you can join the live sessions, which is business satsang. So now how to access the complete course here? This is, you will have to enroll in the course. Okay. So it is just like your Gmail, Facebook account that you will have to, it is for free, but you have to click on this button, enroll in the course. It is not available just like that. It's a membership site. So you will, it is only accessible with your registered mail ID, right? So once you enroll, you create an account, only then the course will be available for you, right? So let us look at what this is the course, right? This is how you will be able to start the course. This is how it will appear and you can start. Now some of the people are saying videos are not playing. See, there are many people who are already going through the program. If videos are not playing, the issue is at your end. Your browser needs a upgrade. Okay. So this is how you can access the course. I'm going back to the main page. Okay. And I will show you what are the bonuses with that course and how useful bonuses they are. Okay. So make sure that, thank you so much, Ramkrishnan ji, right? So let us look at, my screen is visible, right? The courses you are able to see, right? Are you able to see the courses? Yeah, you raised your hand. Naisha, you raised your hand. So are you able to see the course? Is my screen share there? You can see? All right. Thank you, Satya. Thank you so much. Right. So now this is the course you got free. This one, right? So these are the contents of the course. Once you enroll, you will be able to play the course. So you'll have to enroll into the course. Okay. And if you are having any problems with video not playing, see, I have written what to do. If videos are not playing, you will have to read this article, support.teachable. This is the course videos are not uploading. You have to read this and see what is the problem. Your browser may need upgrade, or you can write to support@teachable.zendex.com and get it resolved. Okay. There are many people who are going through the video. So the issue is not at my end. Okay. There are we all have many people who are commenting also, learning also. So please make sure that you get it addressed at your end, right? So now these are the bonuses you get with the course. Asking right question. Now I can just make that as my lead magnet on my website. I have many lead magnets. Okay, useful. So I will not at this stage, we don't take phone calls, only support on messages. We need to understand what is your interest. Okay. So mostly I have pre-recorded courses and I do live workshops, but only if you want to make a website or reinvent your existing website, then we can get on a call. Okay. So this is the number. First you have to message with whatever is your interest. What is it that you want to connect for? Then we will take the conversation forward from there. I've shared the number 6363958485. All right. So these are your bonuses. Asking right question. It will help you create a high converting website. Catchy headline hacks. As I said, the opening line of your video, the opening line of your website, the opening sentence of your blog, very, very important. So how to, there are nice headline titles here, which you can use for your, it will help you a lot. And then why videos are important. It is a third party assessment. Why videos are very important right now, and you cannot avoid making videos. So if you have challenges with respect to being camera shy, or if you don't have the necessary setup, You get it because it is your business investment. You need it now, because in online world, people like to connect with the face. People like to see you before they buy your products or services. And I've also given my ebook, my book on entrepreneurship. It is available on Amazon. Okay. It is priced at 500 rupees or so on Amazon. The Kindle version is also 300 change. I don't know because it is through the publisher, but I am giving you a free PDF ebook. Okay. So you can, that itself, lot of business insights. Okay. Years of effort, crores of investment, crores of turnover. We wrote that book in 2000. We published it in 2016. Okay. So now these are your bonuses. So I hope now it has created enough interest for you to go and open, because free does not mean not valuable. Okay. There's a lot of that. This free course itself, you will get value in lakhs. Okay. So make the most of it. uh, get yourself in right direction, get yourself focused. You will get a lot of clarity. I just wanted to give you one bonus at a time so that you tick it off, complete it. But okay, whatever, it is all available to you. It's up to you how you want to make the most of it, right? So topic of my ebook, topic of your ebook, entrepreneurship, how to start and scale your business from scratch. There is no time limit to the course. It is there forever. Okay. But that doesn't mean that this is the problem. If I say it is forever, a lot of people don't even open it, Naisha. So assume that you're just the access is going to go away in 1 week. Okay. By next Tuesday, the access is going away. So you will put all your effort and put a priority to it. It's just a 2-hour course, but it will empower you like anything. All the clutter, chaos that's going on in your mind, that what to do, how to get online, what is this knowledge business, how to make this Facebook work for me, how to make my YouTube videos work for me, what type of content to create, what are these digital systems and tools. I am tech challenge, I don't know what to do, where to begin, where to start. Whatever your challenge, all the answers to your challenge is there in that course. That is the foundation course. You have to go through it. You must do it before you move on to next stage of your journey with me. Even if you are coming for my live programs, I expect you to complete that course. Okay. So make sure you do it, because you will fast forward your growth journey by just focusing, dedicating those 2 hours to that course. Do that first. Okay. Rest of the all the bonuses can wait. Do that 2-hour thing. Okay. And after that, we have this next level KDM, which is a 6-hour course, which will take you much deeper in the journey. If you are interested to buy that course, then you can message us on that number. Otherwise, you can also join in my live workshops. I do that only once in 3 months. So next workshop will happen in August or September only, live workshops, because everything you need is available in the recorded program. The advantage of live workshop is you can get your problems and understanding addressed right away. And it is an action taking workshop. We call it an action taking intensive workshop, where you will move significantly. What you are not able to achieve in 6 months, 1 year, you will achieve in those 3 days, those 6 days, or those 9 days. If you want to opt for only creating courses, or digital systems, or marketing, whatever, okay, or all the combo, all 9 courses, it is going to help you fast forward and take actions. And a lot of breakthroughs people are experiencing in those sessions, right? So that's about it. Anyone else? I missed some of the questions. Yeah, thank you, Naisha. Thank you for your participation. Any other question? Is there a time limit? No. What else? The Dr. Vineet had some questions. I think I've answered that. Yeah, right. So if no more questions, then I will see you next Tuesday. And promise me that you will, first timers here, promise me that you are going to complete that course. Please don't waste my knowledge. Okay, which you highly need for your own growth. I already know that, right? So it's not for me, it's for you. Okay, there are a lot of people who just with that course they are ready to take off. They don't need any other thing. There are people who need hand holding, they want more, they need to progress. There are a lot of things. Okay, but first prerequisite is you first do that course. Okay, thank you so much everyone, and if no more questions, then I see you next Tuesday at 9 p.m. with yet another topic. And good night, take care, keep growing, keep evolving. Bye for now.